have in my hand a trickle charger. It's 12 volts and it's available with low cost small parcel delivery from 12V.ie. This is just a handy item to have simply because it's low cost. If you just want to be able to recharge your battery if it dies on you, this is a very relatively slow but safe and cost-effective way of charging it up, particularly if you want to leave it for a couple of hours to charge. So the capacity on it is of the charger itself is 12 volts and it's 500 milliamps. And the capacity of what we can do with it then, you can work with a battery. We'll say that it'll be 12 volts and between 4 and 12 amp hours on it. So it's not suitable for the really high capacity ones. It'll be sort of in the 60 to 120 ampere hours. So if we just come along here and look at the thing here, we'll see the basic design of it here. It's a 3-pin plug and it just have your typical plus, which is red, the negative, which is black. You just clip them on directly like that. So the charge time on it, I think on these is about 3 to 4 hours. But it's just something that we generally would carry, we'll say, in our own supplies for ourselves, and just when I saw it at a good price point, I said it's something that probably sit quite well with our customers. So that's it anyway, an overview of the 12 volt trickle charger directly from 12V.ie.